5 rules to improve your financial health. The term, personal finance, refers to how you manage your money and plan for your future. 1. Do the math, net worth and personal budgets. Created on a monthly or an annual basis, a personal budget is an important financial tool because it can help you plan for future costs, reduce unnecessary spend, save for future goals, and prioritize where you put your money. Insurance, health, home, renters, auto, life. 2. Recognize and manage lifestyle inflation. As your professional and personal situation evolves over time, some increases in spending are natural. 3. Recognize needs versus wants, and spend mindfully. It's also important to set aside money each month for savings, although that is much more contingent on your other needs being met first. In addition, some may argue that obtaining a 401k match by your employer is a high priority. 4. Start saving early. If you start saving when you are 50 years old, you would have to contribute $6,440 each month, a total of $772,786 over 10 years. 5. Build and maintain an emergency fund. How do I calculate my net worth? To calculate your net worth, make a list of everything you own and the value of each item. How do I create a budget? What is compound interest? Compounding occurs when you grow money on top of the money you've already grown in the past. How much money should I save each month? How big should my emergency fund be? The bottom line. However, it's important to consider the big picture and build habits that help you make better financial choices, leading to better financial health.